Hi everyone, Lee Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. I want to show you a clue that should have told me the trade I should have taken really should have been taken. Let me show you the clue. Most of the events that we trade each week have a daily market mover report that we send to our members the day before. If you notice, this report has a journal in the middle of the report, this section I'm highlighting. There's also a week missing between New Year's and Christmas. That was a winning trade. So there's actually 5 winners in a row on the Wednesday oil report. That was enough reason that I should have taken the trade. Whether it was a regular trade that we take or not, 5 winners in a row is a report that's performing well. Take the trade. Now watch what oil did. The news came out. We're trading the CL market. The news is going to drive the market down. It bursts through both my targets for an easy $300 winner. Anyone that took that trade made that money, and it was easy. You had a clue that told you why you should have taken the trade, and the next time I've got 4 or 5 winners in a row on a report, even if it's a report that I don't trade all the time, I'm going to take that trade. So oil this week is the trade I should have taken, and I'm in the punishment corner because I should have taken it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Watch out for the daily market movers. They really will help you learn to trade these events. See you in the trade room.